Hello and welcome back everyone to another Medieval Dynasty tutorial where I'm going to show you how to craft the wooden hoe within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Medieval Dynasty game on your device. And while you are playing it, if you need to craft the wooden hoe, then you will need to collect a few different items. These items are 5 sticks and 1 log. The sticks can be found within your ground and you can simply collect them by using the E button. But in order to collect logs, you will need to unlock the ability to chop down trees. You can do this by unlocking the stone axe by collecting 10 sticks and 2 stones. Once you have the stone axe, you can use it to chop down trees and collect the log from them. Once you have enough items, go into the crafting menu by holding the Q button. Then from the hand crafting option, you will be able to craft your wooden hoe. Once the wooden hoe is crafted, you can press the tab button to go into your inventory in order to equip this into various quick slots. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to craft the wooden hoe within the Medieval Dynasty game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.